Hey there, truck enthusiasts. Welcome back to Vehicle School. Today we're tackling a common issue reported by Ford F-150 owners, that mysterious clicking noise when the engine is off. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our truck-related content. Stick around as we explore the potential culprits and provide solutions to get your F-150 clicking free. Let's dive in. Number 1. Fixing fuel pump pressure. Remove the fuel pump relay. Run the vehicle until it runs out of fuel. Locate and disable the inertia switch to stop fuel flow. Check for fuel leaks around the fuel injector rail. Address any leaks found, replacing O-ring seals if necessary. Soak and clean injectors, reinstall with new O-rings. Number 2. Fixing faulty relay. Look for damage, loose connections, or burnt contacts. Repair damaged wires securely. Carefully replace the faulty relay with an identical one. Double-check all connections for security. Start the car and listen for the absence of clicking noises. Number 3. Reprogramming the PCM. Ensure a PC, internet connection, J2534 tool, and Ford module programming application subscription. Connect the tool to the vehicle's DLC. Inhale as-built data and store it in the tool. Follow prompts to replace and program the new PCM. Clear any diagnostic trouble codes. Number 4. Fixing engine issues. Park on a flat surface. Check and top up the oil if needed. Check spark plugs and wires for damage. Inspect distributor cap and rotor. Replace if necessary. Inspect exhaust manifold and pipes for damage. Number 5. Fixing blend door actuator issue. Remove panels, screws, or trim to access the blend actuator. Disassemble the actuator and replace the broken gear. Carefully detach the old actuator and install the new one. Reconnect wiring and test HVAC system thoroughly. Number 6. Steering column fix. Move the steering wheel to locate the clicking. Examine wires and components for looseness. Adjust steering wheel using manual if needed. Check fuses and wires near the fuse box for damage. Test turn signal, ignition switch, and clock spring if suspicion persists. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to troubleshoot and fix the clicking noise issue in your F-150. Good luck with the fixing. Thanks for watching.